is doing the most. What do she have on? She ratchet! Her lace front is all wrong because she ratchet. I'm gonna take this heifer picture because she ratchet. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter because she ratchet. I'm too grown. What bye? Not with them shoes on. She ratchet. Punch her in her face. She ratchet. Ooh, I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. She ratchet. Let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl, with a baby boy and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes. What's up? Had to get cute today. Apple bottom jeans for goose today. I had to keep it look good because my baby daddy just got down. He had the new shoes today. Two today. Got the track yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Don't beat it up. Move trim. It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing. A brand new tap. Paid $95 for this week. Plus tax. Bow. And the thing go on. We never know who's what. And bacon wrong. Marissa Rose is Ratchet. Wherever. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Hey, girl. Bye. OMG. What do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong because she ratchet. I'm gonna take this heifer picture because she ratchet. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter because she ratchet. Got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. She ratchet. Punch her in her face. She ratchet. Ooh, she too fake. She ratchet. My name is Manuela, but my girlfriends call me Kari. The club is free before 11. Pre-game till we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry. This is my future baby daddy. Maury. Got my dirty dress on. Jordan Hill match my press on. We don't like them red bones. In my pictures. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick, Team with your man. If you got a lot of money, then it's Team He Ain't Paying. Spend it on me because you ain't looking like nothing. You ain't looking like nothing. Please. Oh my God. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong because she ratchet. I'm gonna take this heifer picture because she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter because she ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. What bye? Not with them shoes on. Ratchet. I just wanna punch her in her face. She ratchet. Ooh, I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. I'm waiting for the team. Trying to look like a jungle. Your hair is a jungle.